What is good, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today is Monday, you know what I'm saying? The last video y'all seen was last week on Thursday, where we had started off with the loss and then we had caught the win to end the week in profit, you feel me? So now we're looking to add some more profits onto the account, you know what I'm saying? Stick to the trading plan, all that good shit, as y'all know. You feel me? About to get on here, try to find the best setup, one trade, and that's gonna be my day. It's early in the week, no reason to force nothing, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm looking to do, y'all. This shit kind of be day by day, repetitive, so I don't really got much to say, y'all. Let's hit these charts, man. Let's get active.
Nigga, I'm dealing with problems, I gotta get through it. I'm hearing voices in my head, and I've been going through pain. I cannot believe all of the shit that you said. I make them sick from the way that I run up the money. They wish they could cut off my legs. All of my real niggas in the streets was starving. Gotta make sure that they fed. Remember days I was trapping apartments. Yeah, nigga gon' get it regardless. Mama, look at what your baby done started. Gotta get it, I'm going my hardest. When I'm popping my shit and I ice hard.
Alright, y'all, so right now I'm waiting on this trade on AUD USD right at market open. If y'all see, it's literally 8:09 in the morning. You feel me? We tapped into the trade on this Forex chart on AUD. You know what I'm saying? Came down here, getting a nice rejection. Looking to take it up to the sell zone for about a 1 or 2. But we ain't tapped into it over here on our futures. You feel me? So hopefully we get tapped in and take this trade, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it is a little high if we go on the 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? We are a little high on AUD USD, but I do still think we could probably consolidate or go sideways in this zone for a little bit before we choose to keep going up or keep going down, you feel me? So yeah, it looks like we about to get tapped into the trade now. And then, you know what I'm saying, this is an early ass setup, y'all, so we'll just see what happens. All right, y'all, so we ended up getting tapped into the trade. You feel me? This about a 1 to 2.3 risk reward. I think this would be about, I'm risking like 300 to win 750, so I'm saying it's already looking good too. We got a little morning star candle on both charts. We got a morning star reversal set up. Hopefully we break this candle high and we just keep this bullish momentum and we go straight to take profit. You feel me? I hope it's not one of them trades where I gotta wait 2 hours to hit take profit and shit. Being that it's on the Forex pair, you know, these shits don't really move as fast as gold and like indices, but yeah, y'all, this the trade. It's early as hell. It's only 8:15. So my trading day is pretty much over as far as analysis and waiting for a setup. This will be my only trade, you feel me? And now it's just a waiting game. All right, so still moving kind of slow, I ain't gonna lie, but we is getting the push now. If we could push outside of this buy zone, we should be good, you feel me? And it look like that's what it's trying to do. We up about 350 right now. Our take profit will be up like 800, you feel me? So that's what it's looking like. See, that's all I need. I just need some momentum to kick in. Once this momentum kick in, hopefully we could go straight to take profit, because this shit been moving slow all session. We did just tap into the supply, so hopefully the supply don't push us down. But if it do, it might push us down a little bit, maybe even back to break even, and then hopefully 9 o'clock kick in, 9:30-ish, we get some momentum, and then we go straight up. That's one scenario, and then our ideal scenario, you know what I'm saying, the scenario we actually want would be for this shit to just blast through the shit and then go straight up, you know what I'm saying? If anything, get like a small pullback maybe, and then go up. So we about to see, y'all. I'm gonna keep it real, I don't like this momentum to the downside right now. You feel me? I don't like this shit at all. It's looking like it's about to be a loss to start the week. But I'm gonna keep holding it though, you know what I'm saying? We know that this is trading, anything could happen. This shit could reverse and spike up like out of nowhere, so holding it out, you know what I'm saying? Cause just from experience, I done seen crazy shit happen. I done seen price come all the way down, a pip away from stopping me out in reverse, like, you feel me? So there's always hope, you know what I'm saying? Don't never get too scared and FOMO out the trade. If you got a plan, just let the plan play out and then just accept the outcome. As simple as that. So today was a loss, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We came down to the demand. We had a little push up for about a 1-to-1. Yeah, for about a 1-to-1. And then once we tapped into the supply, you know what I'm saying, we basically reversed. And I ain't gonna lie, I should have went light risk on this because I knew that we was high. I knew we was coming off major support, you know what I'm saying, as y'all can see. But I didn't think that we was gonna just shoot down like this, especially on a Monday. So my bias was bullish, and it just didn't play out, you feel me? And this could easily just be one of them trades that just stop me out and then go straight to take profit, you know what I'm saying? That shit happens often. But it's only Monday. We got 4 trading days left, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really tripping. Gonna come back tomorrow, see if we could win the bread back and some more. And you know what I'm saying? That's what it is, yo. I'm about to go get ready to start my day now. All right, y'all, so I took another trade just cause this shit was looking way too good. And I'm not gonna front. Like the last couple times I've been taking 2 trades, I've been winning the second one. So, you know what I'm saying, might start taking 2 trades a little more. But this was just like too much of an A+ setup. I really feel like this gonna hit take profit, y'all. So I went ahead and took this second trade on gold. You feel me? And we came up into drawdown a little bit, had a good rejection. So now I'm hoping we could just keep it up. You feel me? And then that's gonna be that. So let's see what happens. We came up, almost got stopped out. You know what I'm saying? We was even closer to our stop loss on the futures chart. Damn. This shit just went from looking good to bad in 2 seconds. All right, y'all, so real quick, I'm about to break down these 2 trades I lost today. You feel me? And I know earlier I said, you know, sometimes it's cool to take 2 trades, but all in all, bro, you got a plan. Just stick to the plan. At the end of the day, my plan is to take 1 trade. That's what I should have did, you know what I'm saying? Took 2 trades, and it did backfire. Sometimes you could go against your plan and you could win, you know what I'm saying? But you can't let that start patterns, you know what I'm saying? Because all that's going to do is just start a pattern. You're going to feel like you could do it again since you won the last time. And that's pretty much what's going on, you know what I'm saying? So now that I'm seeing it, I'm noticing it, cutting that shit out, you know what I'm saying? Back to strictly 1 trade. But we did take 2 losses today. You feel me? I'm about to show y'all exactly what happened. You know what I'm saying? How I lost, what I seen. And the reason I'm going to still break them down is because even though it's a loss, y'all can still learn from it because these is the same setups I still win. You know what I'm saying? It's just, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, you can't have a 100% win rate. So that's just what it is. But for starters, he was coming here, you know what I'm saying? First thing I seen was we was high. We had a lot of buying pressure the last day, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of people probably did expect a reversal here. If I looked at my last video, this was the same setup on gold. I took the exact same setup on gold. It just looked a little different and it won. You know what I'm saying? This time it lost. We had major support up here. You know what I'm saying? But I don't trade off of reversals. You know what I'm saying? Because this could easily just keep uptrending. We don't know when it's going to reverse really. Yes, this mean it could reverse, but it don't mean it is. You feel me? So I was still bullish for the day. You know what I'm saying? Found my 1 hour demand right here. This was my buy zone. And then this 1 hour supply was my sell zone. Pretty much. So after I did that on the 1 hour, I came down to the 5 minute. I seen that we had EMA confluence inside of my green zone, which is exactly what I want to see. I seen the untouched demand on the 5 minute down here. This was my aggressive entry. And I think I made a little lower for risk reward purposes. And we went for like a 1 to 1.7. You feel me? This was my trade. We came in here as soon as session started. Came up a little bit, and then we ended up getting stopped out. You feel me? Just a losing day. You know what I'm saying? Same trade I'd take any other day. It's just today was a losing day. Should have been done right there, but it was still early in the day. I felt like I could still win. You know what I'm saying? And I have in the past, but at the end of the day, my plan is to take my 1 loss and go. Should have did that. You feel me? But instead, I went over on to gold, and I seen the setup on gold. Pretty much, I seen the sell setup right here. You know what I'm saying? We came down, broke structure to the downside, left a 1 hour supply. You feel me? This was my 1 hour demand down here. This is my buy zone. This is my sell zone. Same shit, came down to the 5 minute. See, we had EMA confluence.
Seen the untouched supply up here that lined up with our EMAs. This was my trade. Great trade though, like, you know what I'm saying? As I'm looking at this shit after the fact, like, this look perfect. Like, this a trade I'll take any other day. This is a trade that would win. You feel me? So we came up here. We came a tick away from it, got a decent push down. And then once we actually came up into the demand, we got stopped out, you feel me? And that was all she wrote. So today was basically 2 losing trades. Should have been 1. Went against the plan, took another one. But it's all good. Just looking to get the money back tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? And it's still early in the week, so we could still have a profitable week. Hopefully we do have a profitable week. And then, you know what I'm saying, if anything, today was just a learning experience, y'all. Like, sometimes you gotta catch yourself. Sometimes, no matter how long you've been doing this shit, bro. It's professional traders, I'm sure. Every once in a while, they probably do some shit they not supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? It's just human nature. Sometimes we fuck up. But as long as you're learning from it, fixing the mistakes, you know what I'm saying, making them changes, it's all good. So I'm back to strictly being disciplined in my plan. That's what today showed me. And, you know what I'm saying, we'll be back tomorrow with another video. That's going to wrap it up, y'all. I'm going to get right back with y'all tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We looking to make our money back and more, maybe. You know what I'm saying? So we just going to see what the session holds. Until then, I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, man.